How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we are unboxing the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the version that we have right here is the graphite variation, and this one is a 256 gigabyte version as well. And all the Pro iPhones do come with the black box, and then you can see kind of the color just outlined just around the side right here. So let's go ahead and start the unbox process. So if we turn the iPhone just around right here, we're gonna see just on the bottom right here a little tab. We're just gonna pull that tab just right up and slide it off. Then we're gonna rest the phone just down right here, and then we can just remove the plastic piecing just like that. And then we'll have the iPhone right in front of us right here, and we can slowly slide that off to reveal the phone sitting right there in the box. Let's go ahead and pick it up right here with the little tab right here on the edge, and then we'll just go ahead and hold it. And wow, the color of the graphite is actually very, very nice. I'm very impressed with it. They don't have a black variation as they did before. They do call it graphite, but wow, very, very nice. Let's go ahead and peel off the cover right here. As we can see that cover right there? We're just gonna go ahead and just remove it just like that. We'll put that aside, and that will reveal the phone. And very, very nice and big. I very, very much like this phone. Very cool looking. If we look around now the edges, you can see my fingerprinting is going through because the edges of the phone are chrome. So we can see the chrome edging just right there, just in my lighting. But it still looks very, very nice. And I do like how it's a little bit grippy on that chrome edge, which is really nice as well. And if we look on the bottom of the phone right here, you can see there is bigger speakers on there, your lightning port, microphone ports. On the side, you can see your volume up and down switches and your mute on and off switch. And then if we look right here on this side, you can see your power switch right there. Obviously, you can see a lot of the fingerprinting that's going around on the phone. We're not gonna worry about that because we will be putting a case on the phone. And there is those cameras right there. Beautiful 3-camera system that you can see on the brand new iPhone 12 Pros. And the 12 Pro Max, which this one is, does have a better camera than any of the other iPhones. It's got a little bit more updates and stabilization and stuff. Let's go ahead and just put the phone just down here on the side. We'll put that little plastic piece, we'll put it right on top of there. And let's see what the rest of the contents inside the box are. We do have, just right in here, the little SIM card ejection tool, and we've got some instructions, and we do have a Apple sticker, and the Apple sticker on the Pro Max is bigger than the Apple sticker on the other iPhones. So let's go ahead and just put that piece right back in there. And then we do have the lightning cable, which is USB 3. So if we just pull that apart right there, you can see USB 3 to lightning, and this is about a 3-foot cable. So no longer do you have USB-A to lightning. So if you don't have a little power piece adapter, you might need to buy that separately. I will link one in the description box below if you need to pick one up. There's a really, really good one that I've tried, so definitely try that one out. But that's all that's included in the iPhone 12 Pro Max box. Definitely a lot smaller of a box than previous years because we don't have that power brick included, but a very, very nice phone nonetheless. Guys, let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this graphite edition of the iPhone 12 Pro Max.